So we're on to another stage now of getting our headlights restored, getting all that cloudiness out of it, because we have used our 2000 grit sandpaper and sand it down, wipe it dry. So this is where we're going now. Our buffing pad, we could use the buffer machine, but since they're not that bad, we're going to use a little hand power. It takes a little more effort, a little more time. You have to rub it vigorously on our compound, right? Do not use the compound in sun heat. It will burn, it will damage, it will harden. So you can use a little water as well to splash on the headlights to keep them moist while you're at it. Alright, so watch me. Alright, so I've put a little water on it to keep it moist, and I've put the compound on my buffing pad. I'm just going to lather it all over, spread it, all those little edges that got touched, spread it, lather it all over. And now after we lather it all over, we're going to start to buff vigorously. Right? A little hand power. Right, since we're not using the machine, we're using hand. And in no time, 10-15 minutes, we should be reaching to where we want. You can see it start already. Right, but you have to put a little more hand in it and keep going. Alright? Okay, so I'll show you another before and after. Now this one is finished polish. I have not put on the protectant yet and a little wax. See so pretty that is now? And look at this one. That has not yet been polished. Again, before, after. Right? So that's the proper way to clean and restore your headlights to factory spec. Clean, crisp, and long lasting. So these little chemicals that they're selling, it's a sham. It just add on a shine to hide all that must and dirt and corrosion that's behind. So this is what it should look like. So now I'm gonna polish this one. Then after polish this one, I put on the protectant, and that's it. Alright, stay tuned.